Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cream caramel with a recipe that is super easy to make and it tastes amazing. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. First, let's start on the caramel. Add half cup of granulated sugar to a medium saucepan. Then add 2 tablespoons of water. Turn the heat on medium-high. Cook the caramel without stirring, to avoid crystallization. Once your caramel starts to change color, give the pan a light swirl. Continue to cook the caramel until it turns into a nice amber color. Then, remove it from the heat and divide it into 4 4-inch ramekins, trying to coat the bottom of the ramekins nicely. Now, let's start on the custard. First, add 3 whole eggs to a large bowl. Then, whisk it to combine, but do not overbeat it and try not to add too much air into it. Then add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix it well. Next, add 2 cans of milk. Use the condensed milk can as a measurement. And once again mix it to combine. Next, strain the mixture through a fine sieve. Place the ramekins in a baking dish with high walls. Then, divide the custard mixture into the ramekins. I like to give it a light shake so air bubbles come to the surface. Then add boiling water into the baking pan, half the way up the ramekins. This is called a bain-marie and will help the custard bake slowly and evenly. Then, place it carefully in a preheated oven at 325 Fahrenheit, 162 Celsius. Bake it for 30 to 35 minutes until just set. The custard should still be quite jiggly, but set if you lightly touch it. The custard will continue to cook once you remove it from the oven. Using tongs, remove the ramekins from the bain-marie and let them cool to room temperature. Once cool, cover the ramekins with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 3 hours or overnight before serving. To serve, run a sharp skinny knife around the custard, forcing it against the ramekin. Turn the ramekin on top of a plate and give it a shake to unmold. And the cream caramel is ready. You'll get a nice, light and jiggly custard that tastes amazing. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.